Hi, this is Babcia. Welcome to Babcia's Coffee and Crafts. Hit that subscribe button if you're new, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you for sticking around with me. Did you see the last DIY video? Mixed media art, Queen Bee. It was fun to watch. It's also fun to make, so check that video out after you're finished with this video. And don't forget, Easter's coming up very shortly. Here is a Dollar Tree idea, except for the lace. Excuse me, still have a little bit of bronchitis. This is made with the Dollar Tree small basket, and it's a Easter basket for Legacy. It's really cute. I'm just getting them out to show everybody. Easy. So look for that video as well. Today's DIY video will be all 100% Dollar Tree, okay? So let's get right into the program. Let's get right into the DIY, and let's have a little bit of fun. And grab yourself a cup of coffee. Sit across the table from me. I have an extra chair. I have some hot coffee brewing. And let's get going with this DIY. Okay, I'll go over the supply list for you because I'm mostly going to make this a slideshow. You're going to watch it come together in a picture, so that makes the videos go a little faster. We need one of these. Need a vase. You can get this or this. I am going to make two, so that's why I bought both. You will need some nautical rope. Alright, I don't know how many right now at this time, but we'll figure that out at the end, because you're watching me do this as the first time. And then, of course, various florals. Whatever florals you like. I prefer something that's going to look like bees will go after, because these are going to turn into honey hives, okay? And look at this cute little windmill I picked up at Dollar Tree today. I see myself using this for something. Believe me, an upcycle. Oh yeah, and then you're going to need one of these cute little huggers. And of course this one's a bee. I got lucky, I found a bee. There's ladybugs there, there's frogs, but since it's going to be a honey hive, I needed a bee. Alright? So let's get going with this DIY. Also, just some hot glue. I think hot glue will be sufficient for this project. I don't think we'll need fabric tack or any other stronger glue, but just in case I change my mind, because I don't know how this will come together just yet. Here's your fabric tack. Alright, so let's get going with the slideshow. First off, make sure your glass is clean inside and out. Alright, because nothing will apply and adhere and stick very well if things are dusty and dirty. So make sure it's clean on the outside. When purchasing florals from Dollar Tree, make sure all the stems have a flower. Okay? If one's missing and there's only two left, you only need one, pull it off the other one, put it on yours. Make sure you're getting all flowers. Alright, so I took the green foam and I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of the sunflowers. So that makes, since there's only 5 on one bushel, I had to go into the second one. Alright, you don't have to do this, but this is what I'm doing. So there we go. have this so far. So then I'm going to build upward. I'm going to add some of these, and they are called zinnias. And then at the very top, height of it all, I want to give some height. I have this bouquet, and it has pink and a yellow butterfly. Alright, that's what I want to do. And then when it's all said and done and it's the way I want, I'm going to attach it. Now we could leave it like this and just leave it on the top, depending on what you want to do. Okay, just what you want to do. That's okay, because if you want to use this vase later on and you don't want to attach anything to it, then don't glue this top part. Okay, you can use this vase for something else in the future. Okay, put it in the bathroom and put your makeup brushes in it. Okay, whatever you want to do. But I want to build it on top of this, so that's why I picked up this styrofoam. And that's what I'm going to do. So next, just the zinnias around, and then sticking up at the top will be the bouquet. Beautiful, cheap, easy. Yeah. I dropped one on the floor. Good old gravity. Right, so you're just building it upwards. Now, like I said, I have a few of those sunflowers left. I will, make it a little taller and then use this as the tallest point. Cute. You can leave it like this. This is cute too. Look at that. Actually, less is more, right? What do you think? I'm just going to use hot glue. Have it drip down. Honey sticky. Oh, I'm having fun with this DIY. I have fun with all my DIYs if you haven't figured that out yet. Or I wouldn't even do them. Ooh, this. Here you go. I'll wait for this to dry. And I'll color that. Color that in. Just add some right here like it already hit the bottom, right? It's already filling up. Messy bee. Busy bee, right? Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Let's get the one drip so it does reach it. This is why I love crystal clear hot glue sticks. Okay, let's let this dry and paint it. So there we go, folks. I send my blessings out to you and your family on this February 22nd, 2020. And look at, I switched, since I have not added glue to the styrofoam. I'm switching them around. Isn't that neat? If I get bored, I could switch them around. I wanted a pair because I want to place them by my TV for spring decor out in my living room. And the rope Adds that rustic look, and that's what I like for my home anyways. You can remove all that and add cotton flowers inside these vases. In fact, I have some cotton flowers. I might make a third one. So you have two ideas. And, excuse me, if you want to pick up some cute little bees, Joann sell these, Walmart sell these, and Michaels sells these. These are little button bees, but these would be really good, you know, going around on here. It'd be really great. But I don't want to add all that. I have this one bee right here. It's pretty busy, you know. But there you go, you have that. And then you can look in the paper craft sections where scrapbooking craft is located, and they have these cute little bumblebees. You can buy something like this and add. Okay, so there's another idea for you. And then, of course, if you watch my last DIY, I had these really cute My Garden Friends bumblebees with real feathers on the side of them. They're styrofoam bees and they're painted, but there's feathers on the side. So that really enhanced my project last time because I was in all the browns and copper tones. But you have these too, and these are sold at Hobby Lobby. And there you go. And those are running about $4.49, and sometimes they have a coupon for these. So I said, I'm not going to say goodbye and all that. I'm tired. Had a busy day. I did do 3 projects today. I did the last video and then these 2. So it's time for me to relax and catch you next time on the flip side of the coin. Hashtag art is freedom. Hashtag so far so good. Find my Pinterest board, Jonesy's Home Sweet Home. And I have another board I started, Babcia's Coffee and Crafts. See you next time. Bye. Well, we had a big lapse in time since the 22nd. And I just continued making arts and crafts and waited for this new camera to come in because my camera broke. This is my daughter's pizza pan craft that she's going to take home. Isn't it cute? Order number 12 is up. And there's 13 and 14. This is all 100% Dollar Tree and using the dog toy instead of the nautical rope. Alrighty, let's go into my craft room and show you another idea. Here's the 2 bumblebee vases. I created a cute little fairyland. I used the Dollar Tree windmill for the back. So, you know, during Christmas time I had my memorial for my grandmother's rocking chair, and then for Valentine's Day I had my string art with the heart. So here we go. I don't have anything for St. Patrick's Day, so this will be honey hives and going into spring. And of course, all Dollar Tree that's used for the display. And remember, I can switch these and turn these around if I want. So thank you for stopping in. Thank you for waiting patiently for me to have my newest camera arrive in the mail, because I did order it online. And my next DIY, I'm going to make some honeybees. And I think I'll use burnt out light bulbs as well. So stay tuned, subscribe, and see you then. Send my blessings out to you and you, to me and mine. Hashtag so far so good. Art is freedom. Bye.